Replace the focusing lens for welding with a clean focusing lens. Remove the welding gun tip. Loosen the screw until it is flush with the gun casing. Install the cleaning head. Click the toggle button. Click Continue. Press the emergency stop button and then restart. Enter the settings interface. Click Gun Head Model. Select the corresponding gun head parameters according to the cleaning focusing mirror model. Click Save and return to the main interface. Click Technology. Set the parameters according to the workpiece to be cleaned.